Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Samsung Galaxy phone mobile data not working. Ensure your mobile data is enabled. Swipe down from the top of the screen to access the quick settings panel. Check if the mobile data icon is activated. Also ensure aeroplane mode is turned off and look at the signal bar to check the signal status is not weak. Restart your SIM. Go to the settings, then connections, then select SIM. Turn the SIM off and then turn it back on again. See if your data starts working. Then navigate to the settings, general management, reset, and tap on the reset network settings. This will reset Wi Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data settings. Open the settings, go to the connections, then mobile network. Select the network operator and then select search networks. Choose a different network temporarily before switching back. If none of these steps resolve the issue, there may be a network related problem. Connect your mobile carrier for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.